Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So if you are new to this channel, then hi, my name is Riya and I post content related to fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So if you are interested, then take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. And for today's video, I am back with yet another kurta haul, but this time it's going to be from Flipkart. So I got a few kurtas from Flipkart, so that's what I'm going to show you here. And I have included a couple of kurta and set from Myntra as well. So if you're interested in today's video, then keep on watching. And without wasting any more time, let's just get started with today's video. The first kurta that I got is from Flipkart. This is how it looks like. It is from the brand Ux. And it is in the size small, and this is how it looks like. It is a peachish orange kind of a kurta. उनकी वेबसाइट पे ये पिंक कलर का लिखा हुआ है, बट वेबसाइट पे भी और रियलिटी में भी ये peachish orange kind of a कलर है. प्लस it has this floral design all over the kurta, like पीछे भी and आगे भी. Now the neck is plain round neck, but the back has this hook closure. Now talking about the material, it is a pure cotton kurta and it is a little see-through. Talking about the quality, I think the quality is quite good. Like for the price that you are going to pay for it, it is great. I got it for rupees 495, but recently when I checked it on the Flipkart, it was for 395 rupees. And if you are getting it for rupees under 450 or even for 495, I think it is worth buying and you can go for it. Now moving on to our next kurta, and this is how it looks like, as you can see. Now it is from the brand called Angita and it is more on an ethnic side, and I got it in the size small. Now it has this chicken embroidery on its upper part और नीचे भी इसमें थोड़े बहुत flowers हैं chicken embroidery के ही. And this is a A-line kurta, so it has a front slit. Now इस पे जो ये buttons हैं ये show के लिए हैं, they are not usable. And nowadays the chikankari embroidery and chikankari kurta are in trend. So for the price that I got for it, I think it is worth buying, and I don't think you can find a better kurta than this. Now talking about the material, it is a little see-through, but पहनने के बाद ये बिल्कुल भी see-through नहीं है, and it comes in a bunch of different colors, so you can select whatever color you like, and it will go with any kind of bottom wear. Like you can pair it up with a trouser, a palazzo pant, jeans. You can pair it up with anything, and it will gonna look beautiful with everything. So yes, I think this is one of my favorite kurta from this haul. You should definitely go for it. It is worth the money and it is just beautiful. Now moving on to the next kurta, which is from Myntra and it is from the brand Libas. Now Libas is quite a good brand, and again it is more of an ethnic kind of a kurta. It has this motifs design on it in silver, like shiny silver color. And for this kurta, the fit, the look, the quality, everything is amazing. Now talking about the material, it is a cotton kurta, and again summers mein cotton kurtas are the best and they are very breathable. So for that, I think it is really good. Now let's take a moment and just appreciate the color, because this color is to die for. This is so beautiful. Like I never used to like the yellow color, but to be honest, मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि ये बहुत bright type का ना हो या फिर बिल्कुल ही dull type का भी ना निकले. It is very sophisticated. I got it in the size extra small, and you can go, if you like a little loose kurta, then you can go for a size up. Usually summers में थोड़े loose kurta ही अच्छे होते हैं. I don't know why I got it for excess, but yes, I just love this kurta. Now that we are done with kurtas, let's move on to the kurta sets. So the first kurta set that I got is from Flipkart, and this is how it looks like. It is a green colored kurta, like more of a sea green color, and it has this red and pink floral design. Now this kurta set is from the brand called Jia. Again it has this button wala design, but ये button किसी काम के नहीं है, they are just for the show. Plus the trouser that you are getting with it, it has this checkered design on it. And इसमें zip नहीं है, but it has this elasticated waistband. If your height is same as mine और मेरी height के आसपास ही है, then आपको ये trouser थोड़ी long रहेंगी. But you can get it altered whatsoever. But I think the overall fit of this kurta and this trouser is amazing, and the quality is so good. Again, for the price that you are paying for it, it is just amazing. I don't remember the exact price, but I got it under rupees 600. So if you are getting it for 600 rupees, then I think you should just go for it without even a single thought. This kurta set is worth buying. Now moving on to our next kurta set, which is again from Flipkart, and it is from the brand called Naviv. Now this is a dark blue kurta and it has this white stripes all over it. Now the neck is quite small, but इसमें पीछे button closure है, so it is not uncomfortable at all. जब मैंने इसको फर्स्ट टाइम देखा था मुझे लगा था कि मुझे शायद गले से थोड़ा अनकंफर्टेबल होगा, बट आफ्टर वेयरिंग इट, आफ्टर ट्राइंग इट, आई डोंट थिंक इट इज गोना बी अनकंफर्टेबल फॉर एनीवन. It is just so comfortable. The material is so soft, like from all the kurtas that I have shown अभी तक और जो आगे भी मैं शो करने वाली हूँ, among these all, this is the softest kurta. It is so comfortable and it is so lightweight, like I just loved it. Plus again it has this 3/4 sleeves with button closure. Now इसके जो बटन है वो वर्किंग है, so आप ये बटन को खोल करके इसको स्लीव्स को फोल्ड भी कर सकते हो. For those who like folded sleeves, I got it in the size small, so इसमें बिल्कुल भी ये सी थ्रू नहीं लगता है, even though it is a little see through, but पहनने के बाद नहीं लगता है. Now this kurta has a pocket, so again a win-win situation. And इसकी जो trousers है, I don't have that with me right now, but you will be able to see them in the try-on. वो बिल्कुल plain trouser है and the length of that trouser is just perfect. Now the trouser is plain, so you can pair that trouser with any other kurta that you have जो उसके साथ match करे. Now this kurta set has very sophisticated and very beautiful look. My final verdict on it is the quality, the look, the material, the color, everything is just beautiful, and just go for it without thinking even once or twice. Just go for it. Now moving on to our next kurta set. This is again a blue colored kurta. It is more of a midnight blue color and it is from Myntra, and it is from the brand called Nayo. Again I got it in the size small. Now talking about the kurta, it is see-through and it has these silver strips all over this kurta, and with this kurta you are getting these palazzo pants. Again waistband is elasticated and इसमें कोई भी zipper नहीं है, but it has two pockets, which is again a really good thing. Now this kurta set has a dupatta as well with this floral design over it, and it looks really pretty when you wear it. I really like this whole kurta set. Now this kurta set is a little over budget, like it is not under 1000 rupees, it is a little over budget. You will be able to see the prices on the screen. I will mention all the prices on the screen. Honestly speaking, I love this kurta and I think you should definitely invest on kurtas like these, क्योंकि ऐसे कुर्ता सेट होते हैं जो आप कहीं पे भी पहन सकते हो. They will look good on every occasion. And this was it for today's video. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, then do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And also you can share it with your friends and family. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel below. Also hit that bell icon with it too, so that next time I post a new video, you will get the notification. And I shall see you in my next video. Until then, stay tuned and bye bye.